Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you our brand new tool that actually allows you to collect guest data without any hardware. So it's called Pre-Arrival Guest Data Collection. And how it works is when guests are getting ready for their stay, we let you message them and it'll have a direct link to your homepage URL, which, if you're familiar with it, is a landing page for guests that gives them access to all kinds of essential resources and your upsell storefronts. So your guidebook, the host co-shop store, which has access to different activities and amenities, Viator, which has access to tours. So things that create upsell revenue that you already want to be showing people this homepage in advance to increase upsell revenue and also to provide a better, more unique experience for the guest. But leveraging that product, essentially, we let you collect data from the guest before they sign into the homepage. So you can both get the information from the booker, and then we've made it inherently shareable so that you can get it from the rest of the party. You're going to want to go into the pre-arrival messaging tab for this, and then you'll see right here, collect guest data. So all you're going to need to do is go to edit guest flow, make sure it's toggled on that you want to collect the guest data. And then right here, you will see the page that's going to be prompted when the guest is signing in to access your homepage from that email. So prepare for your stay at property name. Again, we have our dynamic fields. You can customize this body text however you'd like. So if there's something particularly interesting on your homepage, a unique type of activity, something that you found gets people really excited and would make them want to proceed at this point and enter their information, go ahead and make that customization here. And then this is the screen that they're going to see after they fill out their information that specifically prompts them to share this with the rest of their travel party. So again, you can go ahead and customize this, but people will have the option to share your homepage by text, WhatsApp, email, or any of the other features that are available on your phone, actually. So of course, they can go ahead and skip this and then go check out the homepage, but that's all you're going to need to do. So you just click on done. And then again, I'm going to show you, how this works in total. This is specifically, the pre-arrival guest data collection tool. But to make sure that it's working properly, you also want to make sure that you are sending the email that gets people over there. So here we've pre-filled this for you. So, hi, we're looking forward to your stay. And then this is where you're going to want to really sell your homepage. So whether or not someone wants to book an early check-in. And that is a really good one because that's something that people can only do ahead of the stay. So no matter what, if you're a Wi-Fi marketing customer, when people sign in to the Wi-Fi, they're going to see your homepage, but something like an early check-in that you might offer, would not be relevant at that point because the guest is already checked in. So you might be losing out on potential upsell revenue. We actually allow you to connect to most PMS here to automatically send it and just get this set up in StayFi. If we don't have your PMS yet for this tool, you can also go ahead and set it up manually right here. And again, it's the same thing with the message template, but we give you some instructions to make sure that it's set up specifically in the OTA. And then down here, you can also see which properties are connected. So you just want to make sure that all of your properties are connected, they're active, and if there's specific things that you offer at like the property level, so say with Cozy Cabin, I have a rare moose spotting, and you want to specifically talk about that in the message, you can go ahead and do that, and then you can change the messages. Otherwise, they're all going to come through in the same way. So that's all you need to do. So once this is set up and on, it's going to be sending your message automatically. When people book, you can time it. So, 7 days before arrival per se. And then you want to make sure that that pre-stayed page for the data collection is set up. Once you start doing this, you are going to actually be able to see specifically who has come from this tool. So if you head over here into your guest list, you see sources here. So here it'll tell you, if someone came from Wi-Fi, from your PMS, or from pre-arrival. So you can actually see the tangible effects of using the pre-arrival guest data collection tool as well in real time. So that's fantastic. And then I suppose the last thing that I want to mention is that this is a specific cohort in StayFi. So in the email marketing tab, if you utilize our email marketing, you can go ahead and go to subscribers. And anyone who's coming through pre-arrival specifically will be marked here as a StayFi pre-arrival guest. So if you want to segment on that for your marketing or any analytics or anything like that, you have the opportunity to do so. So um, this is going to be a feature specifically tied to StayFi Email Plus. And the reasoning for that is StayFi Email Plus is going to be our email marketing tool, but with the option to collect guest data without hardware. I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the beginning, but we can probably estimate that about 2 to 10% of people who are coming to stay with you are going to do this, access the homepage, and to sign in and leave their information with you. It is a new tool, so the results can vary. I would definitely recommend that you take care in crafting that pre-arrival message. Make sure that you are getting people excited and make them want to go in and check out your homepage, book some activities, check out the guidebook, check out stuff about the property, to make sure that you're collecting as much guest data as possible. But again, this can be a digital-only solution. You're not going to collect as much guest data as you would with a Wi-Fi marketing subscription, but this was a way for us to allow you to partake in our email marketing tool and still collect some guest data to make your campaigns more meaningful. And just to quickly show you, since I didn't earlier in the video, if you want to get a reminder of what the homepage looks like, you head over to Wi-Fi Experience, view your homepage, and then this is what guests are going to be giving you their information for to go and check out. So your guidebook, the option to do a late checkout, early check-in if you would like to. Those are custom buttons. And then the upsell storefronts that come integrated within StayFi automatically for different attractions or amenities like a massage, local chef, et cetera, et cetera. So that is going to be your homepage, and there is a button on the homepage to share as well. So they can also share to their the other people that are staying at the property that way too. So thank you guys for checking this out. I hope that you are able to use this to get some more guest data before people are even staying at the property and to make your marketing campaigns all that more powerful. But thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time.